Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys the top 4 best malasadas on Oahu. The first stop is Palakai Bakeshop and Creamery, located in Kaimuki, and is a must-go every time I visit Hawaii. They are a neighborhood bakery that serves freshly baked products in classic and diverse flavors. Palakai Bakeshop sells not only malasadas but also homemade ice cream, banana bread malasada puddings, energy bars, cookies, and cake bombs which have 40 flavors in rotation. For malasadas, they do offer the sugar flavors such as cocoa, coffee, liheng, and cinnamon, but no filled ones though. The price is $1.95 for the classic and $2.25 for the flavor. They also have special sugar flavors such as matcha lilikoi guava and others flavors occasionally, so be sure to check their weekly flavor schedule to see what's available. I got the classic and the malasada pudding. The malasadas you'll find here are made fresh in-house and always come together perfectly. The exterior is crispy and crunchy and held up nicely with the sugar coating, while the inside is like a soft and fluffy cloud. The malasada bread pudding was not overly sweet and really let the taste of the malasada stand out ahead of the icing, but couldn't beat the classic malasadas. There are tons of great bakeries on Oahu, but this one is top-notch. Palakai Bakeshop and Creamery has all kinds of desserts, so you're bound to find something for every sweet tooth, so make sure to try when visiting. Next up is Kamehameha Bakery located in Kalani District. A famous baker founded in 1979, open from 2 a.m., 3 o'clock on Saturdays and Sundays. Bright purple malasadas are popular to locals and tourists. On a busy day, more than 8,000 poi glazed have been sold. Locals visit early in the morning and buy in bulk. The lineup includes various flavors of malasadas, donuts, and sweet breads. All of them are reasonably priced at around $1. The store showcases are lined with a variety of sweet breads in different shapes and colors, such as sugar and chocolate-coated malasadas, donuts, and pies. The most popular item, poi glazed, is made with taro paste, a staple food of native Hawaiians. It is unique in that the surface is deep-fried and dark brown, but the inside is a beautiful purple color. It has a moist and fluffy texture and is surprisingly moderately sweet. There are also colorful flavors such as strawberry and orange. The location is Kalihi, about 20 minutes by car from Waikiki. In 2014, it moved to the City Square Shopping Center, making it easier to visit than before. Popular items may sell out in the morning, so try to visit as early as possible. The third stop is a popular bakery in North Shore called Paalaa Kai Bakery. Paalaa Kai Bakery is a bakery created by Mr. Sadate Koke in 1970. The original name was Waialua Bakery. In 1982, it was acquired by Haleiwa Supermarket and renamed Palakai Bakery. The bakery's most popular item is the snow puffy, a pie with powdered sugar, but there are also croissants, chocolate croissants, malasadas, donuts, eclairs, etc. Snow puffy is $1.98. White powdered sugar is falling on the crispy dough with plenty of butter. There's plenty of custard inside, and the top of the pie is decorated with chocolate. I'm not good with custard, but I was able to eat this. Snow puffy was very delicious but hard to eat, so I recommend buying it and eating them outside. Malasadas are not freshly fried, but they are delicious even when cold. The fat usually floats and becomes less delicious elsewhere, but this one was fine. I think if you like mochi donuts, you'll like this one. Also, after 6 o'clock, there will be a discount for the pastries that day, so if you are lucky, you can buy it quite cheaply. The fourth spot is Little Vessel's Donut in Kaimuki. This is not a malasada, but instead a hidden gem vegan donut bakery. Only open on Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. or until sold out. We went at 10 a.m. and there were already a line before us. The square donuts look beautiful and are very popular in Hawaii. It's hard to believe from the outside, but this donut is a handmade plant-based yeasted donuts. You can buy the donuts individually for $4 or as a flight of 6 for a discounted price. Fritters are $7 and donuts wholes are $6. Not very cheap for donuts, but the flavors change every week, so they're full of surprises. Also, they are pretty big compared to other donuts I've tried in Hawaii. Make sure to check their Instagram for more updates. Little Vessels makes the dreamiest, pillowy donuts you can imagine. They're airy and chewy and slathered with decadent toppings. And Somehow, even hours after they're made, they still taste delicious, thanks to their square shape, which began as a happy accident. The donuts are huge, filling an entire cardboard box from wall to wall. Every flavor we've tried has been wonderful, so I cannot wait to go back there. Thank you guys for watching. Malasadas are a must-try if you are visiting Hawaii, so I hope this video was helpful. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Also, make sure to check out my other videos as well. Ciao. See you next time.